Today's session, Day 9 of our series, we'll guide you through the comprehensive process, covering everything from structuring your data to automating workflows and integrating communication channels. In the previous lesson, we delved into customizing data fields within modules. Today, we're advancing our setup by focusing on the creation of new modules. While Zoho CRM offers a comprehensive array of modules out of the box, tailoring your CRM with custom modules can significantly enhance its alignment with your unique business processes. Creating custom modules in Zoho CRM is a straightforward process. These modules can range from managing specific projects to tracking unique customer interactions, allowing you to capture and organize data that's relevant to your business needs. When setting up new modules, it's crucial to understand the types of fields you can utilize. Zoho CRM supports a variety of field types, including text, number, date, time, pick lists, and more. Each field type serves a specific purpose, enabling you to capture data in the most appropriate format. Equally important is establishing relationships between modules. Zoho CRM allows for various types of module relations, including lookup fields, which link two modules together, and subforms, which enable you to include a set of fields from one module within another. For example, you might create a custom module for payments, and use a lookup field to link each payment to related invoices in another module. This setup not only organizes your financial data efficiently but also ensures a seamless flow of information between payments and their corresponding invoices. By customizing modules and meticulously setting up relations between them, you're enhancing the CRM's structure to better reflect and support your business's unique workflows. This level of customization ensures that your Zoho CRM system grows in tandem with your business, adaptable to your evolving needs. Let's explore how Zoho CRM serves as a universal platform through its powerful integrations with email and web forms. These integrations are pivotal in transforming Zoho CRM into a comprehensive hub for all your business operations. Email integration in Zoho CRM is seamless, connecting your email service directly within the CRM. This allows for the automatic logging of email interactions with contacts and leads, ensuring that every communication is captured and easily accessible. It's a game changer for maintaining continuity in customer interactions and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Moreover, Zoho CRM's email integration capabilities include sending personalized emails directly from the CRM, tracking open and click rates, and even scheduling emails to ensure they reach your contacts at the optimal time. This level of integration enhances engagement strategies and drives efficiency. Add the email addresses of your various departments from which you send and receive customer emails. You can use these addresses as the from and reply to addresses. The email addresses have to be verified before you can use them. Equally important is the integration of web forms. Zoho CRM allows you to create custom forms for your website, directly capturing lead information into your sales pipeline. This automation is vital for lead generation, enabling quick response to potential customers and gathering valuable insights. Moving on to web forms, Zoho CRM enables you to create custom forms that can be easily embedded on your website. These forms are directly and natively linked to your CRM, automatically capturing the lead's information and seamlessly funneling it into your sales pipeline. It's an essential tool for lead generation, allowing you to gather insights and respond promptly to potential customers. Once the form is designed and configured, Zoho CRM generates an HTML code snippet. This code can be copied and pasted into the HTML code of your website or landing page, hosted by Zoho Sites or any third party's platform, embedding the form directly into your site's layout. For businesses with unique needs that require custom solutions, Zoho CRM's API opens up endless possibilities. The API allows developers to build custom applications or integrate third-party services directly with Zoho CRM. Whether you're looking to synchronize data between Zoho CRM and your ERP system, create custom reporting tools, or develop bespoke functionality, the API provides the flexibility and power to make it happen. Zoho Marketplace offers a wide array of extensions and apps that seamlessly integrate with Zoho CRM. From telephony and email marketing tools to document management and customer support apps, these integrations can significantly expand the capabilities of your CRM, enabling you to tailor the system to meet your specific business needs. With Zoho Flow, you can automate complex business processes across multiple applications without writing a single line of code. It allows you to create custom workflows that connect Zoho CRM with hundreds of other cloud apps, automating tasks and ensuring data flows smoothly between your business applications. This level of automation streamlines operations, reduces manual work, and enhances efficiency. In our upcoming dedicated lesson on Zoho Flow, we'll explore in greater detail how to automate workflows and connect your apps seamlessly, further enhancing the power of Zoho CRM as a central hub for your business operations. Having explored the vast integration capabilities of Zoho CRM, including the pivotal roles of Zoho Marketplace and Zoho Flow, let's now turn our attention to the heart of efficiency within Zoho CRM: automation and workflow optimization. Automation features are designed to streamline your business processes, reducing manual tasks and ensuring that your team can focus on what truly matters. Creating a workflow rule involves defining a trigger, such as a record creation or field update, and then specifying the actions that should occur as a result if the user-defined conditions are met. Actions can range from sending emails and updating fields to creating tasks and sending out API calls to external systems via custom functions or webhooks. For instance, you can set up a workflow rule to automatically send a welcome email when a new lead is entered into the CRM. Moreover, workflow rules can include time-based actions, allowing you to schedule tasks or send notifications at specific intervals after a trigger event occurs. This feature is invaluable for managing follow-ups and ensuring timely engagement with your contacts and leads. Workflow rules not only automate daily tasks but also bring consistency and efficiency to your sales and marketing efforts. By automating routine processes, your team can focus more on strategic activities. While workflow rules automate individual tasks based on specific triggers, blueprints in Zoho CRM take automation to a strategic level. Blueprints allow you to design and enforce a standardized process for sales, support, or any other operation within your CRM. They're like a digital roadmap, guiding your team through each step of a process. With our CRM as a data central now finely tuned with custom modules, integrations, and personalized workflows, it's time to turn our attention to one of the most powerful features of Zoho CRM: data analysis and reporting. This segment will explore how leveraging Zoho CRM's comprehensive reporting tools can transform raw data into strategic insights. Zoho CRM offers a wide array of reporting tools that allow you to visualize your data in various formats, from simple tabular reports to complex graphical charts. These tools are designed to give you a clear overview of your sales trends, marketing effectiveness, customer service efficiency, and much more. Creating custom reports is straightforward in Zoho CRM. You can start from scratch or modify existing templates to suit your needs. Whether you're looking to track sales performance, analyze lead sources, or evaluate campaign ROI, Zoho CRM puts these insights at your fingertips. But Zoho CRM's capabilities go beyond static reports. With Zoho's advanced analytics, you can dive deeper into your data, uncovering patterns and trends that can inform your business strategy. The platform's predictive analytics features can even help forecast future trends, giving you a competitive edge. Dashboards play a crucial role in data analysis and reporting. They provide a real-time snapshot of your business's key metrics, customizable to display the most relevant information for different roles within your organization. This ensures that everyone, from sales reps to executives, has access to the data they need to make informed decisions. Zoho CRM also offers scheduled reports and dashboards, allowing you to automate the delivery of key insights directly to your inbox. Leveraging the data analysis and reporting features enables you to make data-driven decisions that can lead to improved business outcomes. It's not just about having data, it's about understanding it and using it to guide your strategic planning and day-to-day operations. As we conclude our journey through the expansive capabilities of Zoho CRM, from setting up custom modules and diving deep into integrations, to automating workflows and enhancing customer experiences, it's clear that Zoho CRM is more than just a tool. It's a catalyst for business transformation. We've uncovered how its features can be tailored to fit the unique needs of your business, streamline your operations, and foster a culture of collaboration in your team. But our exploration doesn't end here. The world of Zoho CRM is ever evolving, with new features and integrations continuously introduced to help you stay ahead in a competitive business landscape. We encourage you to keep experimenting, learning, and adapting your CRM to meet the changing needs of your business and your customers. If you've found this series helpful, please subscribe for more insights, and don't hesitate to reach out with questions or for further assistance. Remember, the journey to CRM mastery is ongoing, and the potential for growth is limitless. Stay curious, stay engaged, and let Zoho CRM be the foundation upon which you build your business's future success. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll present the CRM for our team with Zoho Meeting. We'll show you how to effectively introduce your team to Zoho CRM, ensuring everyone is on board and fully understands how to leverage its capabilities to enhance your business operations. Plus, we'll guide you through adding the session recording to Zoho Learn, making it a valuable resource for ongoing training and reference.